Nestled in a quiet valley of Yellow River State Forest flows Little Paint Creek. Known for wild populations of brook and brown trout, as well as catchable stock rainbow trout, Little Paint is a popular recreational destination.
Yellow River State Forest is a hidden gem in the state of Iowa that attracts over 40,000 people annually. Users come here to get away from it all, enjoy nature. While they're here, they utilize our beautiful campgrounds, use our hiking trails, they come for hunting, they come for fishing, all around nature viewing, just a place to get away from the everyday busy life. About half of those people that come to Yellow River utilize our scenic streams that run right through the heart of Yellow River State Forest. So it's a major reason why people come to this place.
Recent large flood events have left unstable banks along this small creek, contributing sediment and nutrients into the cold, clear waters of Little Paint. To improve the health of the stream, a helping hand was needed. A collaborative restoration project was undertaken in January of 2022, focused on reconnecting the stream to the floodplain, stabilizing and reshaping failing banks, and improving in-stream and floodplain habitat. The floodplain is the land near the stream that is occasionally flooded during high water events. This land can slow floodwaters and catch sediment and nutrients that are moving downstream in the floodwaters. The work not only improved water quality, but also enhanced habitat for a multitude of other species, including reptiles, amphibians, insects, and birds. The significance of the project is heightened by the fact that Little Paint Creek is one of only 9 restored wild populations of brook trout native to Iowa. 3 sections of stream, totaling 1,200 feet in length, were reshaped to better connect the stream to its floodplain. Nearly 300 dump truck loads of soil, slowly deposited by years of flooding, were removed from the floodplain. Bank-stabilized rock was added to help maintain the new stream banks. 4 rock weirs and 5 root balls from trees that needed to be removed during work were submerged in the stream to enhance trout habitat, providing deeper water and cover from potential predators. Much of the work was funded by the Iowa DNRs 319 State Waters Grant Program.
I'm Steve Hopkins, Iowa DNR Non-Point Source Coordinator. The Iowa DNR's State Land Water Quality Grant Program, which is funded by EPA's Section 319 funds, provides funding to DNR staff for implementing water quality improvement projects like the Little Paint Creek project to improve water quality in the state of Iowa on public lands. The grant program encourages DNR staff to partner with other organizations or agencies so that together they can improve Iowa's water quality on public lands one project at a time.
In addition to 319 State Waters funding, the Driftless Flyathalon was a major partner of the project.
I'm Ryan Romuller. I'm the race director for the Driftless Flyathalon. Every October we host a really unique trail race in Yellow River State Forest that combines fishing and trail running. Participants run a race course, and along the way they have to catch a trout. For every inch of trout, 2 minutes is taken off your overall time. We generally have participants come from 8 different states around the country, and they get to experience how wonderful Yellow River State Forest is and the beauty of Northeast Iowa. The Driftless Flyathalon is also a fundraiser for Coldwater Conservation projects like the Little Paint project. So we incentivize our participants to help us fundraise through the help of our sponsors. Little Paint has been a project we've really enjoyed working with the Iowa DNR and other entities on, and we're really happy to be able to give back to a place that we love.
Other project partners included Iowa's Coldwater Conservancy, the Trout Salmon Foundation, Hawkeye Fly Fishing Association, and Driftless chapter of Trout Unlimited.
I'm Mike Sipker, fisheries biologist with the Iowa Department of Natural Resources. On this project, our partners really stepped up, assisting the DNR in raising funds to enhance Little Paint Creek. Their contributions allowed us to reshape stream banks, install fish habitat, and improve plant diversity along the stream corridor, work that will benefit the multitude of species that make their home along Little Paint Creek in the Yellow River State Forest. Together with our partners, the Iowa DNR Fisheries Bureau is making Iowa a great place to fish.